Hello, welcome back for just the last little bit of finding sample size for population mean. And if we want to find this population, the size that we need to take for a sample when we're estimating the population mean, we need the critical z-value, either the sample standard deviation or the population standard deviation, whichever we've been given, and the EBM, the error bound of the mean. So it says the population standard deviation for the age of Foothill College students is 15 years. If we want to be 95% confident that the sample mean age is within 2 years of the true population mean age of Foothill College students, how many randomly selected Foothill College students must be surveyed? So N must equal, and now Z, our confidence level is equal to 0.95. So alpha is 0.05. And we have to do alpha divided by 2, which is 0.025. So Z of 0.025, using our formula sheet that we have been using, is 0.025 is 1.96. So 1.96, and the standard deviation is 15. And then the error bound is within 2 years, it says. And we have to square that. So we're going to do parentheses 1.96 times 15 divided by 2. Parentheses and square that, and we get 216.09, and we can't have part of a person, so we always make a note here, always round up to the nearest integer. Okay. So N is going to round up to 217 in our sample. That would be the best sample for this confidence level, if we know the population standard deviation, and this is the error bound that we want to have. So let's look at example 10. It says the population standard deviation for the height of high school basketball players is 3 inches. If we want to be 95% confident that the sample mean height is within 1 inch of the true population mean height, how many randomly selected students must be surveyed? So N equals, we have the same confidence as before, so that's nice, 1.96, and our standard deviation is 3 over 1, and the whole thing gets squared. So we have 34.57. And so we have to round up. So we must have 35 basketball players in our sample. So that concludes lesson 8.1. Catch me back for 8.2.